In today's video, we're diving into the exciting new side of Windows 11 version 24H2, specifically the special features enabled for Copilot Plus PCs. If you're using or considering a Copilot Plus machine, a PC built with a powerful on-device AI neural processing unit, you'll want to know what extras you get, how they enhance your experience, and whether they're worth it. To start, what exactly is a Copilot Plus PC? These are devices certified to run Windows 11 24H2 and beyond that include a dedicated NPU, neural processing unit, capable of tens of trillions of operations per second. That means certain AI features can run locally, without relying entirely on the cloud, enabling new experiences like enhanced video calls, intelligent search, and on-device assistant support. Here are some of the standout features available on Copilot Plus PCs with Windows 11 24H2 on-device AI experiences. Features like Windows Recall, which captures snapshots of your screen activity so you can later search what you were doing, automatic summarization, or Click to Do, where you highlight text or an image and ask the AI to rewrite, summarize, or take action, all enabled through the NPU on Copilot Plus machines. Intelligent search and actions. With the update, Windows Search and the Settings search experience become far more flexible, letting you use natural language, ask questions about your files or system, and get context-aware suggestions. On Copilot Plus hardware, this is smoother and faster due to the dedicated AI chip. Enhanced communication and creator tools. Video calls, streaming, and voice interactions get a boost. Things like real-time language translation in live captions, AI-driven background blur or studio lighting effects via Windows Studio Effects, and Co-Creator in apps like Paint or Photos where the AI assists with image generation or stylizing. Smarter system and UI improvements. Some features like improved File Explorer behavior, drag trays, tabs, better scaling, taskbar tweaks, and more adaptive UI responses are available more broadly, but on Copilot Plus PCs, they integrate better with the AI systems running behind the scenes. Better performance and readiness for future AI. Because the hardware is built with this NPU in mind, these devices are optimized for upcoming AI features, ensuring that as Windows grows its AI capabilities, Copilot Plus PCs will be more future-ready. Of course, there are things to keep in mind. Many of these Copilot Plus-only features require the certified hardware NPU. If your PC is not labeled Copilot Plus, you may still get many of the 24H2 updates, but not the full AI-enhanced experience. Some features roll out gradually and may initially appear only in preview channels or select regions. Also, while on-device AI brings speed and privacy benefits, it may require newer hardware and may come at a higher price point. So, what should you do if you're interested? If you use an AI-ready PC and want to get the most from Windows 11 24H2, check that your device is a Copilot Plus certified model. Then go to Settings, Windows Update, and ensure you're updated to 24H2, or turn on Get the latest updates as soon as they're available if you're comfortable with previews. After installation, try out features like highlighting text and asking the AI to summarize, checking out the new search behavior, using the enhanced video call effects, or exploring the settings for the Actions page, where AI-based suggestions may appear. If something doesn't show up yet, it may just be waiting for a phased rollout. That's our look at the Copilot Plus PC-specific features in Windows 11 version 24H2, a powerful leap toward more intelligent, responsive computing. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Windows deep dives, tech walkthroughs, and update breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.